Cooking is more than just preparing meals. It's an art, a passion, and a way to connect with loved ones. The Bella 8-piece removable handle cookware set is designed to transform your kitchen experience, offering a blend of style, practicality, and performance. With its innovative fits-anywhere design and EverGood ceramic nonstick coating, this cookware set delivers convenience without compromising quality. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable cookware solution, this set promises to elevate your cooking game. In this in-depth review, we'll explore its features, benefits, and why it stands out in the crowded market of kitchenware. What's in the box? The Bella 8-piece cookware set includes everything you need for versatile cooking. 8-inch fry pan, 10-inch covered fry pan, 2-quart covered saucepan, 2-quart storage lid, 2 removable handles. Each component is crafted to ensure durability and efficiency, making it perfect for everyday meals and gourmet dishes alike. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Quick and even heating. The Bella cookware set is engineered for fast and uniform heating. Whether you're searing meats, simmering sauces, or sautéing vegetables, the even heat distribution ensures perfect results every time. Number 2. EverGood Ceramic Nonstick Coating. Say goodbye to food sticking to your pans. The EverGood Ceramic Nonstick Coating offers exceptional food release, making cooking and cleanup effortless. This coating is also non-toxic, free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFAS, ensuring healthier meals for you and your family. Number 3. Removable handles. One of the standout features of this set is its removable handles, designed for space-saving storage, perfect for small kitchens or cluttered cupboards. Oven compatibility. Easily remove the handles to transition from stovetop to oven seamlessly. Cool touch safety. The handles remain cool to the touch, ensuring safe handling during cooking. Number 4. All stovetop compatibility. No matter your stovetop type, induction, gas, or electric, this set is compatible with all. It eliminates the hassle of switching cookware for different heat sources, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Number 5. Oven-safe versatility. This cookware is oven-safe up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to finish dishes like baked ziti or frittatas directly in the oven. It's a game changer for recipes that require stovetop to oven transitions. Number 6. Effortless cleaning. The nonstick coating ensures that food residues slide right off, and the cookware is dishwasher safe for added convenience. However, hand washing is recommended to maintain its pristine condition. Design and aesthetic appeal. Available in 2 elegant colors, oat milk and black, this cookware set complements any kitchen decor. Its sleek design and glass lids with silicone rims not only add functionality, but also enhance its visual appeal. Who is this cookware set for? The Bella 8-piece cookware set is ideal for small kitchen owners, thanks to its space-saving removable handles. Health-conscious cooks. Non-toxic ceramic coating ensures healthier cooking. Busy individuals. Easy-to-clean design saves time in the kitchen. Gift seekers. A thoughtful choice for housewarmings, weddings, or college dorms. What makes it stand out? This cookware set offers a unique combination of style, functionality, and innovation. The removable handles and oven-safe design provide unmatched versatility, while the EverGood ceramic nonstick coating ensures healthier cooking with minimal effort. Pros and cons. Pros: space-saving removable handles, non-toxic, eco-friendly ceramic coating, compatible with all stovetops including induction, oven-safe up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, stylish and durable design. Cons: oven-safe temperature limit may not suffice for high-heat baking. Hand washing recommended for longevity. Customer reviews and feedback. Customers rave about the convenience of removable handles and the non-stick performance. Many appreciate its compact storage feature, especially in small apartments. However, a few users noted the need to hand wash for maintaining its non-stick quality. Why you should buy the Bella 8-piece cookware set. If you're looking for cookware that combines innovation, style, and performance, the Bella 8-piece removable handle cookware set is an excellent choice. Its thoughtful design caters to modern kitchens, offering convenience and efficiency without sacrificing quality. Invest in this cookware set today and transform your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.